Car wash. Get in the car wash. Make sure you clean my tires, sir. He's doing the back. We're about to go. And he got to do this side and the tires on this side. And then we go inside. Thank you. Thank you. Going through.
Going through. Yay!
Ooh, nice blue lights. Nice blue lights.
Whoa.
The main reason why I got a car wash to get this bird poop that was on the window, it was 2 big bird poops on the window in the front. Huh? She said what?
That looks like Dookie. Look.
Ew. Ew. It do look like poop. Oh, they trying to say that's how dirty my car was on the outside. It's like entering the Monster Inc. University. Boy, it looks scary. Oh, now we in wrench. I feel like we in a washing machine. Now we in wrench.
Ranch? It's
Yeah,
ranch.
wrench.
Ranch.
Wrench.
Ranch.
We in wrench. Leave me alone.
Ranch.
Same thing.
No, it's not. Ranch is
But they will say, no, it's not.
You wish it was.
Thank you for watching the Unique Family Car Wash.
Right. That thing is staring at me.
I'm not a thing.
Is that it? Now they want me to drive forward.
Come on. I think you're getting it.
Okay. Wait. Okay, now drive forward. Right here.